Hi everybody! So we're gonna do a new Fancy-Dancy new fruit, ripe and ready type of video because I picked out or found or came across a new fruit I have never tried before, never even heard of before too. And so I was so happy and ecstatic when I saw it. I had to pick one up because of course there's tons, literally thousands of different types of varieties of fruits on this planet, and it's so exciting always to try a new one, you know. So it's called an ugly fruit. That's what the tag at my grocery store said. I found it at my Fred Meyer grocery store, and it said it was an ugly fruit. You know what? That's not ugly. It's unique in its own little way, you know? And that's what it says. It says unique, but the tag said ugly fruit. So I have never heard of it before, and it was in the citrus section of the fruits. And I can tell you right now, it smells like, well, of course, like citrus, but like the citrus from like a grapefruit almost. And I looked it up, and on the tag it says Jamaica Good Hope. Jamaica Good Hope. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but I looked it up, and it's a Jamaican. I'm sorry, you guys can't see that. Jeez. But anyways, I looked it up, and it said it was like a Jamaican fruit, and it's like a cross between a grapefruit and a tangerine or a manola tangerine. So, and they were saying like it tastes very similar to like an orange, hint of a grapefruit, but more on the sweeter side, I guess. I'm not 100% positive. You guys can look it up for yourself, but that's what I did, and that's what I do with all my new fruits that I pick out, because somebody asked me about that. And as what I do with my new fruits that I try is I first look them up just to see a general idea what other people are saying about them and what they do, and then I just go from there. But so I know you can peel it open with your hands, but I know with the citrus fruits I find it easier and faster to kind of just cut around the fruit, and then it kind of helps get you started. But as far as ripeness goes, oh yeah, see, that smells like an orange now that I got it open a little bit. That's what they said when it's ripe, even though it looks green like this, partially green. They said it's actually ripe when it starts turning brown spots, or it's soft to give, or it's soft, you know, when you push it in, but it starts getting little spots on it. So we'll get this open here, guys, and oh yeah, see, a grapefruit, I am not a fan of grapefruit, you guys. Grapefruits are the one fruit that I really do not like, and but every once in a while, I love the smell and the feel of grapefruits, but I just don't like that bite essence that you get from a grapefruit. I like my fruits to be sweet. I like the sweetness, pleasant, soft, sweetness. No biting or anything. But that's one thing I noticed is it's peeling like it's got that feel and texture like a grapefruit. You know how grapefruit has all that extra, I guess you call that pith stuff, but that's what it's kind of looking like too. I mean, and it's yellowish, whitish, orange there. Okay, you guys, so I got it peeled open, and it most definitely feels and looks like grapefruit, and but we'll see. But it smells like an orange and a tangerine though. It's really kind of interesting, but this is how big it is. Okay, so let's get the tasty tasting. Let's do this one. Okay, here we go, guys. Mmm. Mmm. It's most definitely has the texture and feel in the mouth just like a grapefruit, but it tastes like a tangerine or an orange. This one in particular is not very sweet. It's very juicy, of course. Not much of a flavor, really. I can taste an orange flavor, but I can also taste tangerine, but it's really light though. It most certainly does not have that bite like a grapefruit, which is good. I don't like that, personally. You know, I must say it's actually pretty darn good. I think you have to have enough of them to really get the experience, of course, because that's one thing I do mention a lot is don't judge a fruit just off the first bite if you've never tried it before. You got to give it a chance because it can turn into one of your favorite fruits you've ever tried before, and it could be one that it just happens not to be a very properly good ripened fruit or something, but most certainly I know I genuinely do not like grapefruits. I genuinely do not like them because I've given those so many chances that every time I have one, I just cannot eat a grapefruit. I hate that bite. So I know for sure I can genuinely say I do not like grapefruit. Same with parsley. I hate parsley. I hate cilantro. Seriously, guys, I have given it a try several times over the years, and I generally do not like those those types of fruits and vegetables and herbs. Okay, those ones I do not like. Okay, guys, so after having that whole ugly fruit, Jamaican citrus fruit, I've got to say, would I buy it again? I most certainly would. I think it is much better than a grapefruit, of course, but it is most definitely worth the price and worth trying for sure. And so would I buy it again? I most certainly would. That was actually pretty darn good. I fully enjoyed that. It was like a mix. It was a mix of grapefruit, orange, and tangerine. So if you're someone who does not enjoy grapefruits like Miss Stace here, guys, this is a fabulous option to go for to still experience a grapefruit flavor without the grapefruit bite, you know. So this was actually very pleasant. Okay, everybody, so remember to love being raw. Put a big old smile on your face today. I hope I did that for you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you guys try out an ugly fruit if you come across them. Well worth it, well worth the try, of course. And remember to always try a new fruit. You never know, it just might become the best fruit you've ever tasted, and just might become one of your favorites too. So, and there's thousands of different varieties out here on this planet that God created for us for our food. Awesome. Okay, guys, so I'll let you guys go. Bye, guys.